So guys, we're currently working on building our own in-home gym. So today I'm going to be putting together a pulley system set. So I'm going to show you guys me putting it together. Here we go. So now I'm opening up the box. And here we have the cords that go with the machine. So let me pull it out here, and this is what it looks like. And then this is the disc itself. I don't know what you would really call it, but the thing that you put the cords through. This is a rope that you use with it to go along with it. This keeps the weight in a nice position. And that was a bar to go along with it. One of my favorite things to do whenever I get a package is to pop the bubble wrap. So you know I had to do it. So guys, right now I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. So I'm looking at, and there's no instructions that comes with it. So I'm just looking up how it looks. And I'm just gonna go from there. So this is how it's supposed to look. I'll put a picture up on the screen for you guys. So we had a little change of scenery, guys. So we could go to the actual pull-up bar. So I have this here. I'm just gonna wrap this around the pull-up bar and clip that in. Then grab this and put this through here. So here you can see me sliding the weight on. So now I gotta hook this in here. Then hook this up here. And now we do the same thing but to the weight. So now I'm gonna attach the hook here. And then attach the weight. And here we go. So this comes with two different cables. One is longer and one is shorter. So you can use the longer one for doing sit down exercises like this. But you do also have the option to do some standing exercises. So guys, I'm going to be putting together a financial toolbox and showing you what all comes inside of it. So you can see me putting together the box now, and this is the finished product and what it looks like. And now putting all of it in, that's the activity book. And here is my other book, Caden's Rich Kid Guide. Here is the instructions for the toolbox. My financial flashcards here. And a money notepad. It also comes with a pencil And then it also comes with my financial puzzle, which I didn't put in this clip here of me doing it. But here is some crinkle paper just to add some decorations. I decided to add a good amount to this one. And now it's time to put it in the poly mailer. And this is what it looks like. I have my logo in there that says Caden Teaches Finance. And in order to ship it out, we need to, of course, know the weight. So you can see me weighing it here on the scale. And this is our weight for it. So guys, this is the finished product, and this is how it looks. So guys, right now we're at my friend Rocky's birthday party, and someone else is supposed to be with me. Maybe I have to say his name and he'll appear. Nehemiah, where are you?
Say his name and he appears. I believe in Joe Hendry. I believe in Joe Hendry.
So is this just your new bit every week?
Yeah. Every time I see you, that's how we do it.
So are you Joe Hendry? Is that your new name? Wait, I said his name. Where is he?
Say his name and he appears. I believe in Nehemiah. I believe in Nehemiah. Cause I'm in London and Paris and Tokyo, America, Scotland, and Canada and Mexico. They say I believe in Nehemiah. I believe in Nehemiah.
So right now, guys, we are playing some kickball. Well guys, this concludes the end of this week's vlog. I know it was a shorter one, but this week was just a pretty chill week. I had some fun, but just a laid back week.